Hello and welcome to our instructional video. Today, we will be learning how to reduce the rational expression x squared minus 81 divided by x plus 9 to its lowest terms. This process involves simplifying the expression by factoring and canceling out any common factors. So, let's get started with solving this problem step by step. To begin reducing the given rational expression x squared minus 81 over x plus 9 to its lowest terms, we first need to factor the numerator. For the numerator, x squared minus 81 is a difference of squares, which can be factored as x plus 9 times x minus 9. Therefore, the expression is now x plus 9 times x minus 9 over x plus 9. Next, we observe that the numerator and the denominator share a common factor of x plus 9. This allows us to cancel out the x plus 9 terms in both the numerator and the denominator, simplifying the expression. After cancellation, we are left with x minus 9. Therefore, the simplest form of the rational expression is x minus 9. This is the final step.